Cross-functional alignment memos. Phrase bank for ING, finance, and procurement. Welcome! Today we'll master the alignment memo, a short document that keeps everyone moving in the same direction. A good memo creates shared understanding across teams, so engineering, finance, and procurement interpret goals the same way. It also reduces rework, delays, and budget surprises by surfacing assumptions early and documenting decisions in plain language. Finally, it standardizes language for faster approvals. When reviewers see familiar sections and terms, they scan, trust, and sign off quickly. Think of the memo as your project's single source of truth. Clear, lightweight, and built for speed. Keep your memo simple and predictable. Purpose, right pointing arrow. Scope, right pointing arrow. Impact, right pointing arrow. Risks, right pointing arrow. Next steps. In purpose, say why this matters now. In scope, define what's in and what's out. Impact summarizes benefits, costs, and timelines. Risks highlight uncertainties and mitigations. Next steps assign owners and dates. Aim for one page, skimmable, with a link to deeper docs or dashboards. Use consistent headings and data fields, like dates, version, decision owner, so readers can compare memos quickly and spot what changed since last time. Use crisp, neutral phrases that reduce confusion. Start with, "This memo clarifies," to state intent, e.g., "This memo clarifies the rollout plan for Phase 2. Set boundaries with out of scope includes, such as out of scope includes mobile features and third-party integrations. Define outcomes with success is measured by, and list concrete metrics. Success is measured by a 15% reduction in handling time and 99.9% uptime. These phrases keep tone professional, prevent scope creep, and make expectations measurable. For technical readers, be explicit. Use technical rationale to explain the why behind a design. Technical rationale. We chose API polling to simplify retries and monitoring. List assumptions/dependencies, like assumptions, stable schema. Dependencies, V2 auth by October 15th. Spell out quality and safety implications for reliability, performance, and security. Quality and safety implications. P95 latency may rise 20 milliseconds. Encryption in transit enforced. Rollback plan documented. Clear engineering language reduces debate and speeds design agreement. Anchor decisions in numbers. State total cost of ownership, TCO, including build, license, support, and decommissioning. Quantify budget variance impact for over-under scenarios. Budget variance impact plus 8% this quarter, offset by minus 5% next. Present ROI payback scenario across best/base/worst cases. ROI payback scenario 28%, 18%/6% with payback in September 13th, 20 months. This structure gives finance fast comparables and shows you've stress-tested assumptions before committing funds. Clarify how you'll buy. Use sourcing strategy to note sole source versus competitive bid and why. Sourcing strategy competitive, 3 vendors to reduce risk. Provide lead time and MOQ constraints with numbers. Lead time, 6 weeks. MOQ, 500 units. Expedite fee, 12%. Add contract/compliance notes to flag standards and SLAs, contract/compliance notes, SOC 2, Type 2, 99.9% uptime SLA, Data retention 12 months. These lines help procurement balance speed, cost, and risk while keeping audits clean. Make decisions visible. Use trade-off decision to show the choice and reasoning. Trade-off decision, shipped smaller feature, set to meet launch date. Specify decision owner and deadline so momentum doesn't stall. Decision owner and deadline, Product Director, October 10th. List open questions and requested inputs clearly. Open questions and requested inputs. Security sign-off on data retention. Finance input on CapEx versus OpEx. These cues tell everyone what's decided, what's pending, and who must act. Turn your best lines into a system. Store phrases as templates/snippets in your docs tool so writers don't start from scratch. Tag by team and memo section. For example, engineering/risks or finance/impact, so people find the right wording fast. Review quarterly with real examples to refine language, retire confusing lines, and add data-backed patterns. Over time, your memo library becomes a playbook that speeds approvals, reduces misalignment, and raises writing quality across the organization.